If you're unable to install Microsoft Mahjong from the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on your Windows PC, follow these steps. Run the Gaming Services Repair tool. Open the Xbox app, click your profile icon, go to Support, and select Gaming Services Repair tool. Click Start Repairing and allow the process to complete. After it finishes, fix your date and time, and open Adjust Date and Time. Turn on Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically, then click Sync Now. Also check that the correct country is selected under Language and Region. Next, clear the Microsoft Store cache. Type WSReset in Windows Search and run it. The store will close and reopen automatically. App Settings, click Terminate, then Repair. If it still doesn't work, click Reset. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.